In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot on Windows 11. Keyboard shortcut, updated 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know the fastest ways to capture your screen, whether you want everything, just one window, or a custom area, and exactly where to find your images. Let's start with the quickest, most automatic option. Press Windows plus print screen on your keyboard to take a full screen screenshot. When you do this, your display will briefly dim or flash to confirm the capture. Windows immediately saves a PNG file for you without any extra steps, which is perfect when you need a copy you can share right away. If you use multiple monitors, this method grabs all screens in one image. These auto-saved screenshots go into your Pictures folder, inside the Screenshots subfolder, which we'll open in a moment. If you don't need a saved file yet and just want to paste the image somewhere, press Print Screen by itself. This copies your entire screen to the clipboard so it's ready to paste into an app, a document, or a message. Nothing is saved to a file with this method until you choose to save it from the app you paste into. It's great for quick, temporary captures. To capture only the window you're working in, press Alt plus Print Screen. This copies the active window to your clipboard, trimming away everything else on your desktop. Make sure the window you want is selected first so Windows knows exactly which one to grab. This is ideal for clean, focused shots without background clutter. For precision control, press Windows plus Shift plus S to open the Snipping Tool overlay. You'll see a small toolbar across the top and your screen will dim. Drag to select the exact area you want and release the mouse to capture it. This is perfect for highlighting a specific section of the screen like a chart, a button, or a chat snippet. After you release, the snip is copied to your clipboard, and you'll usually see a thumbnail preview appear near the corner of your screen so you can click it to review or edit if you want. Finally, when you need to find your saved images, open File Explorer and go to Pictures, then Screenshots. That's where Windows places the full screen captures you took with Windows plus Print Screen. If you don't see what you expect, remember that clipboard-only captures won't appear here until you paste them into an app and save. Quick tip before we wrap up. Your keyboard might label the print screen key as PRSC, PRTSCN, or similar, and some laptops require holding the FN key with these shortcuts. Use the method that matches your keyboard and you're set.